Good day, everyone. Welcome to the fourth ICP Chain Fusion Web3 Collision Hackathon workshop. We are beyond excited to have you all join us today on this exciting workshop session. I'm Kaden, and I'll be your host for this workshop. So over the past few weeks, we've brought together some of the brightest minds from ICP and Divinity to lead several workshops for us. And thank you so much. And today, it marks our fourth workshop in this series. In this session, we are diving into the commercial open source companies on-chain in the Web3, and we've got a fantastic guest speaker to guide us, which is Konstantin, the CEO of Bridge23 and experienced ICP software engineer. Before we dive into today's workshop, I'd like to take a moment to share about Coinstore Labs. Coinstore Labs is the innovation hub of Coinstore, dedicated to supporting cutting-edge blockchain projects. We empower developers and startups with resources, mentorship, and tools to bring their ideas to life. From DeFi to Web3, we help projects to grow and succeed. The ICP Chain Fusion Hackathon is just one way we are pushing the limits of what's possible in the blockchain world. We are so excited to have you all on this journey with us. Next up, let me quickly reintroduce and highlight the ICP Chain Fusion Web3 Collision Hackathon, which is a 7-week event from August 10 to September 25th that's all about the driving innovation in the Web3 space. Organized by Coinstore Labs and ICP Hub Vietnam, it's the perfect platform for developers to showcase ideas in the DeFi, RWA, AI, GameFi, SocialFi, and NFTs. With up to $500,000 worth in prizes, we're excited to see what groundbreaking solutions emerge. And today, we are excited to have Konstantin, which is the CEO of Bridge23, an expert of ICP software engineer, to join us today. So Konstantin has been at the forefront of the Web3 innovation, and I'm sure his insight will inspire and provide valuable information to us today. And he's ready to share his valuable insights on the future of open source in the blockchain space. All right, Konstantin, the floor is yours.
Hello everyone. Today our topic about the open source commercial platform and how we can grow with blockchain and ICP. I mean, as a not just ICP. Right now is just with ICP possible. What the general is Web3, as we talk about the change relationship between customer and business, what is called a new age of marketing is called human-to-human marketing or human-to-human business model. And for example, I can share my screen. We have basically, for example, Amazon. And this is like a classic Web2 platform where we have centralized provider like Amazon. And they charge the commission or something like this for their service. This doesn't include the storage or delivery or something like this. And what we can do in Web3, for example, if we build as a decentralized Amazon marketplace, but not like NFT marketplace or something like this, but with power of ICP, we can create as a cloud, decentralized cloud storage and use like EVM smart contract or ICP smart contract for proof of delivery, proof of products, proof of purchase. And in my idea, you will have your own data. I mean, about all transactions, what will be valuable to collect, for example, your data portfolio about your data, and is create as a new economic opportunity and more detail for research, for example, as the product demand, for seller in marketplace, more information about users. Because now if you sell in Amazon, you don't have a lot of data about who your customer. But in Web3 concept and like DAO concept, what we can do in ICP also, if you launch your SNS and create DAO, for example, for your marketplace, and DAO can voting for some commission, provide how you can make the storage for products, how you can better make delivery, because community will be high adopted for real demand. I mean, if you have trouble with one cargo, you can charge this cargo provider. And this can be a real game changer when you try to build something in Web3 or blockchain, because basically Web3 and blockchain is a little bit different, because Web3 is more about relationship. It's not about technology, but blockchain is technology which provide for us access for a new stage in our relationship and business and in our life. Yeah, and for example, what we built in April in the one hackathon was we start create the platform where you can put for sale your products like Amazon. You can create collection, and the point of this system was when you create collection for your products, like any from this, as a clutches or for gaming. I mean any category in any topic from Amazon service, and this is created as NFT collection. I mean, as what's every certificate. Every product in this collection in your store will be tokenized. Is as NFT, and in this case, it's not just NFT like a collection. I mean, as art or music is real assessed. But this is real product, and this is certificate for product, because one in my vision, and not just in my vision, is the main goal of blockchain is what in community we should trust what this real product, and this is if this product saved and tokenized by this platform, this is product real. I mean, as you don't need to check again is real Dolce & Gabbana or Louis Vuitton, for example, big brand, or this real Nike or not real Nike, real Apple, not real Apple. Yeah, every product have certificate, is NFT certificate, and this is mean what this real product. And after this created, any user with your principal ID, when you make when you buy a product in this marketplace, this is product move to your data portfolio. I mean, as what around your account, like your digital avatar, start collected all information about all your purchase, and any seller can pay for you to look to your data portfolio, like as your customer habits, what you buy in this time, what you buy in this time, and this can help for business. I mean, business pay for this. For check the user profile, business should pay for monthly subscription to customer. For take the better research, who like KYC, know your client, but in this case, KYC is real, know your client by what they like to buy, what they want to see in your store, and this can much more grow your revenue. Else, in this case, if we don't have Amazon or any centralized provider in decentralized marketplace, we can cut costs like a 20%, maybe 20 or 15%, because general every seller in centralized marketplace should add 30% to price, because they should pay to Amazon or any centralized provider for marketplace. Depends from your area. And this is one from use case what I can show for food for food. And also we can build anything, any services for example, for online education, like Coursera. I mean, I have a few idea what we can to do. Oh, okay, Udemy as is online education, and it's possible to build also in ICP. And this is educate certificate will be so. I mean, as a cut cost for proof of your education. I mean, as every company, when they take you to work, they want to see your certificates. And if we build as a DAO community for online education, it can be so helpful in this case for HRs, for business, for university. If you have the certificate from this platform, you really study in this platform. But we need build the trust relationship for make it better. There's a lot of case for how we can use as an NFT passport for products or supply chains. Also, what's the control of the quality of products? Yeah, but in the education, in my vision, also is good case, and maybe it can be cheaper when any programs, and also more ability for new economic opportunity for teacher and for students. And if you first time you pay as student for teacher, and next step you also can share your knowledge and provide your certificate because you have previous certificate, and this is like on-chain education proof of we can call it a proof of education. Yeah, and you can also take the case for Uber or for any delivery as a food delivery, like a Grab, Gojek, Uber Foods, or something like this. And any platform where we have centralized middlemen who charge it and who collect all data about customers and about business. Because in age of AI, as our data is real gold. I mean, for machine learning or train our LLM model, we should have the much better data sets for training. But in case if we take data from a centralized provider, we can't be sure what is true. But which more we build as a decentralized platforms or marketplaces, study platform, taxi platform, delivery platform, will be very helpful for build much better LLM models, and not just LLM models. I mean, whole machine learning. Yeah, and also when you build decentralized platform, I mean, as a open source commercial platform, can create for you much more economic opportunity than just charge your customer for subscription, for premium features or something like this. Because biggest opportunity here is you can just take as a few percent for one transaction. This can be a data transaction or purchase transaction or order taxi, order delivery or something like this, but we can do it in blockchain much cheaper. Yeah, I think my general idea in this, and if you have any question, I'm happy to answer how we can do it.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. Let me quickly go through the YouTube and let me have a look at is there any other questions provided. All right. I think there's no question being asked. I guess they're quite shy, but no worries, guys. ICP do have a Discord channel provided. Also, we do have a workshop. Sorry, we will have our QR codes that will lead you to our Discord. But I'll talk to you. I'll share with you guys the QR later. But before this, I would like to thank Konstantin for the insightful and awesome presentation. And before we wrap things up, I have a question for you, Konstantin. Anything that you would like to say or